Very good. So 16 times 4, multiplied by 4. Great. So if this was an equation, which it's not because there's no equal sign right now, but if we were to solve it, the answer would be 67. And it's important to remember that you need the order of operations just because you would never get this answer if you did it differently. And the reason for that is it goes back to distributive property. So everything builds upon prior knowledge and scaffolding. Same thing for this equation. We could do one more just to show. Over here, if we were to solve this, which part would we do first? Which part of the equation would we do first? This is a division sign, by the way. Right. Okay. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then what would you do next? Plus 4 to the second power. Right. Okay. And so on and so forth. And I think everybody gets the idea. And for the assessment, as a whole group, we could come back together and say, what did we learn today? What did everybody learn today? Okay, that's not where you want everybody to go. The real answer is order of operation. PEMDAS is really just a way of remembering and, sort of a helpful hint. The idea behind this lesson is order of operation. But everybody will say PEMDAS. And then you could have them write down a few short sentences. This could be the formal assessment individually. And what you would want to make sure that they write down is order of operations and which is the higher power.
Okay, as far as how it's related to guided math, and basically we use whole class and small group instruction. The whole class would really introduce the concept of the translating the statements into equations.
Can you swap places, because I'm getting only your back.
Or when we introduce the order of operations. And then we use small group instruction when you guys are working in pairs and deciding what card to hold up and everything. And as far as the methods of assessment that we used, we were using formative assessment throughout just when we were doing the whole instruction, just based on the answers you guys were giving during the discussion, and when we walked around just to make sure everyone understood what was going on. That was the informal assessment. And having the person come up and do the examples and you guys help each other out, that was part of our assessment as well. So, okay. Does anyone have any questions or?